So I'm Hans Westerhoff. I'm basically a biochemist. I work at the Universities of Amsterdam, that's the Vrije Universiteit and the University of Amsterdam, but also at the University of Manchester. I work in biochemistry, microbiology. I'm interested in how biology works as the collaboration between many molecules that in themselves behave quite chaotically, but together produce order. In my public lecture on the 11th of April, mark your diaries for that, I will talk about how medicine works and how health comes about. And that's actually a difficult issue we should understand, because there's all these molecules in our body and they together have to do something and they have to produce health. And if you could see how chaotically, I'll show this actually, how chaotically they behave, you would never believe me that that could produce health. Now the important issue there is that the molecules are fairly different between each other, or at least many molecules are nominally the same, but they behave differently, and that's what we call dispersion, variability, noise. And the great trick of the human body is to make all of them act together ultimately. Now for medicine this means that many individual people are very different, and we need to look at individual people individually. At the moment, medicines only work, you have a 40% chance that a medicinal drug will work for you when you're diseased, but that's because you're different from all the other people in human society. So my aim is that you then get your own personal medicine, individualized precision medicine for yourself. And then we'll be able to cure most people, but all in different ways. To explain this to you, what I'll do is take you on a journey. Not a journey through space and to the stars and the galaxies, but a journey to the inside of the galaxies, basically to the planet and to South Africa and to the humans, to human beings and to the molecules in there. And I'll explain how this together then all works to get us well-behaved cells and therefore health.